Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2006 Hummer H2. Hummer H2 Performance. Optimizing engine technologies such as variable valve timing and the 6 speeds wide gear ratios, including an all-overdrive gear, enable the performance. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, CD player, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.